I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off browsing history on the Amazon mobile app. Step 1. Open the Amazon mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Profile in the menu at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Tap Account. Step 3. Scroll down to the Personalized Content section and then tap Browsing History. The Your Browsing History screen opens where you'll be able to see items that you viewed recently on Amazon. Step 4. Tap the Settings icon at the top of this screen. A settings window pops up. Step 5. Tap More Settings in this menu. You'll see an option to turn Amazon Browsing History on or off. You'll be warned that if you turn off your Amazon browsing history, then new items you view won't show up on this page and your recent searches won't appear in the search bar. Additionally, you'll be notified that Amazon will stop using your browsing history for personalization. Step 6. Tap to toggle off browsing history. Your Amazon browsing history will be disabled and turned off. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.